Artificial intelligence is basically feeding some knowledge or intelligence in a computer which it can understand and perform. Machine learning algorithms have a plethora of classification and regression algorithms. Decision trees can be used to solve both simple and complex datasets. Support vector machines can be utilized to predict the cap features for any area within the domain. Naive Bayes is used for determining complex financial problems and other related issues. Linear regression can help in predicting future stock prices or house prices, which can prove helpful for many industrialists. AI, on the other hand, is deployed to handle such predefined algorithms or tasks in the system which hardly needs any monitoring, as AI will get the job done without any external guidance. Hanson Robotics started working on a human-like robot named Sophia when they saw the boom in the AI industry. It was made public in March 2016. Sophia can imitate 50 human expressions that we encounter in our daily lives. It is the only robot which has valid citizenship. It is a classic example of artificial intelligence when we consider imparting human behavior and emotions in machines, which can solve our common day-to-day problems using machine learning and artificial intelligence at its disposal. Sophia has been designed keeping in mind the previous iterations of humanoids and their features. Its eyes have built-in cameras and pre-programmed algorithms which help it to observe the surroundings. Its brain has been programmed to be similar to a chatbot but more inclined towards the human behavior, which enables it to listen to questions and answer them. All of its data are collected in a cloud, which allows researchers to analyze its responses using blockchain technology.